Hi everyone, so we are here at Jungle Bay in our villa number 43.
Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
So here, as you enter, you see that there's this nice little nook for relaxation. Oh, a little table. You can have your coffee, your tea, your book, whatever you need. There's a husband. You can't have him because I have him. Here's a sitting area that you can probably have breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just sit together if you'd like and look out the window, the doors, at the gorgeous view. It's pouring rain now, but that's okay. We'll be here for a few days where you will get to see what out here looks like without the rain, but even with the rain, it's gorgeous. Of course, you've seen this gorgeous bed. And this is our bed here at Jungle Bay, and it has a mosquito net just like the sitting area in the corner that I showed you. There are the remotes for the various appliances, including the air conditioner up there. Look at the work in here, guys. Look at the wood, the ceiling fans. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels glorious. It smells glorious in here too. Look at the work on the knobs, the doorknobs. So in here is our closet and refrigerator with a mini coffee area. So there's shelves over there. I can open that side. I don't know why I'm squeezing through. Like I can't open it. There's a hair dryer, shelves, hangers, more shelves, and the refrigerator. I didn't actually open it yet, so we can do that now. Oh, nice. They come with a bottle of water apparently. So that's nice. And you see there's, it looks like honey. Is that honey? No, that's not honey. Oh, that's the coffee. What am I talking about? I saw it next to the sugar, so I thought maybe honey for tea, but there are no tea bags. Anywho, this is our room. And in here is the shower. Look at this. Okay, now that's not the shower, right? That's where the towels hang. But look at this room. This is the bathroom that we shower in, okay? Like this is glorious. Glorious. Okay. This is it. So you saw the bathroom that we shower in. There's no toilet, obviously, because the toilet is over here on the other side. Where's the light for this? The light for this is right around the corner here. Here's the toilet. Okay. And as you can see here, the sink. Face basin, as some of us in the Caribbean call it. There's lotion and soap by the sink with some facial tissue. I forgot to show you in the bathroom here. The Jungle Bay shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. This atmosphere, let me tell you, you want a vacation in Dominica. We just got here, and I'm already gonna say I recommend Jungle Bay, if for nothing else, just for the ambiance. The atmosphere is really nice for couples, but also for families, right? This room is big enough for families. So anyway, this is the tour. Thanks for joining us. As you can see, I'm doing the tour in my traveling outfit. The clothes I threw on this morning after what was it, less than 2 hours sleep to get here. So I haven't unwound yet, unwinded, whatever the word is. Haven't done that yet, but I will. I'm gonna have a shower. I started wiping down the surfaces, gonna have a shower. We're gonna get something to eat and just relax. We need to sleep because we did not sleep much this morning and not at all last night. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you soon. This is the view from our villa, number 43 here at Jungle Bay in Dominica. And this is our villa. Okay, and Allan is doing a dance right after I pass the camera by. Do it again, Al.